Okay, guys, welcome to our team weekly training. Great to see you guys. How are you today? Hope you're all well. Yep, absolutely great to see there's so many video cameras on. Hey, Paleo, Crypto Man, Bitcoin Man, absolutely crushing it. Keep doing what you're doing, guy. Peter, you made it. I know you're out there in the US and you could be, our clocks went back or forwards, one or the other, I don't know. It's just automatic here. In the UK with the phones. But anyway, our nights are drawing in. And yeah, basically that's what's happening. So that's a sign, guys. You know, when the nights draw in, people, I mean, let's face it, people have got more time with the situation with the COVID. But we're going to even have more time with the darker nights drawing in now. So this is a great time to really promote and push hard in the business, you know. Something that I'll share with you guys is I work the hardest the last 3 months of the year and the first 3 months. The rest of the months will take care of themselves. So it's really, you know, the crypto space is hotting up now, guys. I mean, it really is. It's hitting the, you know, the big news, the Bitcoin prices, you know, the bull runs on, guys. You know, it's past 13K this week. And it's just going to get big. Hey, Simon, look at that. That's how you do it in style. All the way up top. Absolutely crushing it, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Brilliant. Great to see you guys on video. Absolutely awesome. That's great sharing that with us. And again, just a quick shout out to everybody. We've got Graham and Janet there. Janet, great. Graham, great to see you all. So, Boss, my friend, how are you doing, pal? Okay, keep crushing it. And we've got Galaxy S9 Plus 9, it just comes up on there on the name. And anyway, guys, where you're calling in from, just leave me a comment in there. Let us know where you're coming in from, and keep doing what you're doing, because it's been another fabulous week. It is like another record-breaking week, because when we look at the figures of what the team are doing, they're just getting bigger and bigger, and that is the key to this business. It's all about capital, and the more capital that you have in your business, the more income that you're going to be making on a daily basis, and obviously teach that to your team, and they're going to make more, which automatically will increase your earnings. So what have we done in numbers? We are basically, we're just shy of $13 million in the team now. We did, yesterday we did a new 149,000 in new contributions yesterday alone. So let's do 12.9 million, 12,926,650. Today on a Sunday generally is always a big day. Last Sunday, you know, I do all my stats, and I recommend that you write all your stats down, ladies and gentlemen, I really do. Last Sunday we did a $248,000 day, and the Sunday before it was even better actually. We did a $281,000 day, just to give you an idea on new contributions. And whether that's the weekend, people have got more time to, you know, organize things. I know there's a few challenges. I know Simon that had a few challenges with the buying Bitcoin in big amounts, and you know, but there is many ways to do that. And if we have a look at the corporations, the companies now, I mean, they have to go through huge hurdles. One company bought just shy of $500 million worth of Bitcoin, but this is good because it shows now that once these big corporations start buying it, it starts making headline news all over the world. It's all over the channels, and basically, you know, the public start to see it more. They start to buy it more, but the public's the small pawn in there. However, we're in and we're making Bitcoin. Obviously, what's going to happen? Okay, we're making Bitcoin. The price is going up. Not that it matters, by the way. I actually prefer the price lower, because obviously when we're earning crypto, we're drawing in Bitcoin. We're obviously, when the price is lower, we're earning more Bitcoin, if you know what I mean. But ultimately, it kind of doesn't matter, because you're still getting richer because you're still having Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will always keep going up in price. That's what always will happen. But I'd rather have more Bitcoin than more fiat, okay? And I'm sure you'll all agree with that, okay? Because we know where the fiat price is going. It's worthless, it's paper. And it's funny how things change. 5 years ago, I was the biggest paper collector going, you know, build your bank accounts up. And those that know me, will know that, you know, we were all about cash, weren't we? Yeah. And now, you know, now we're like, I just, you know, once we got into crypto in 2017, I mean, we understood what was happening. And again, once you've been in this industry, your knowledge will change immensely. And you know, when I got in 2017, I got in at the price at $1,250. And remember, I never bought Bitcoin, I only earned it. And basically, in that year, it went from $1,250. In December, it hit just shy of $20,000. So be prepared for this. And then the crash came and it went all the way down to 3,200. And most people, I mean, so many people, even I know, big crypto Bitcoin guys, they were selling, you know, they thought it was over. I mean, guys, it'll never, ever, ever over. No way, no way. I mean, it won't go that low again, no chance. However, we all understand that it's here to stay, and you know the key is to educate people on it. You know, is educated, subscribe to, you know, I subscribe to a lot of good channels, 99 Bitcoins. You get great, there's great video channels out there that keep you updated on what's happening in the crypto, Bitcoin especially. And again, stay focused, guys. Stay focused, because there's a lot of opportunities in even the altcoins, and again, you can be very tempted to jump in, and I've done it on some, and you know, they've gone really nowhere. But ultimately, I'm a lot more relaxed and focused when I know what I'm earning and investing in, like Bitcoin, the main big cryptos. And yes, you can trial them out, but just be prepared. You know, they might end up nothing, worthless. That's you know, that's what you got to realize. Okay, so outside of that, guys, we are basically with the numbers of the team, just shy of 9,000 in the team now, 4,900 with purchases, obviously just shy, it'll be over $13 million today. And again, for the month, we're just shy of $3 million in new contributions, 2,945,210. And we're pretty sure we'll hit 1 million weekly, literally within the next 30, 60, 90 days. I'm pretty sure by the year, the 12th, sorry, the 11th of January 2020, we'll be trading about $20 million on the team. Okay, just to give you an idea. And that's pretty amazing, doing that daily. Okay, and the returns are absolutely phenomenal. And you know, just be aware, there is you know, people will hit you up, guys, you know, with other opportunities, and it's up to you whether you do that. I don't have a problem if people want to have that multiple income streams. Everyone is free to do what they wish to do. As you know, I'm an ambassador, so all ambassadors are signed a contract to only ever work MindCAPITAL. So a few of you guys I know said you want to alter, you know, you not saying any of you guys on here, but some of them, my team, Simon, look, you know, you don't have to do it, you know, this, that, and the other. They hit me up, but there's no point, guys, because the key, this is one of the things that made me successful, is when I laser focused in on one opportunity. And I've always done that. And again, I don't jump around, and there's new companies come across and you can get in early, you can make a fortune. Well, I can assure you, it's still going to be worked. Okay, it's still going to be worked, and whatever it is. And again, you know, we've got something here that I know is solid, and that is basically the big thing, solid and sustainable. And when you put everything into it, basically the results speak for themselves. And the ambassadors, you know, obviously are all in the same boat. We're signed and sealed. It's a formidable team that we have here. I think 90,000 members now with contributions globally. So that's a big company doing big numbers. Okay, now somebody asked me about the bots, the new bots they're working on. I think it was 6. And one is going to be released, okay, within the next, well, we're thinking in the next week, because it was announced that I know Gonzalo was in Germany, and some of our team met Gonzalo and the German team, and they already, and he said it will be the next week. Now, just so you're aware, these are trading bots. So the trading bot is going to be different, okay? So with trading, active trading, there will be losses, okay? Just so you're aware of that. It's kind of like, you know, but we'll have to wait and see. Obviously, they can limit their losses, and depends on whether you manually close them off and things. So I've worked with bots before. Ultimately, if you're trading in good cryptos and you never sell the crypto, if you buy it, eventually wait for the market to come back, technically you can't lose. Okay, just so you're aware of that. Okay, but you know, we'll have to wait and see what happens. I'm like this with it. You know what we already have is brilliant. Keep it nice and simple. That is the key with this business. It is so easy. The business is You know, the presentation's simple. It's one slide, the presentation, pays down 10 levels. But remember, don't try and explain the business yourself, okay? Yes, you can do a presentation and record your presentation, and this is what I would encourage you to do, okay? The business is about leadership, okay? And it doesn't matter if you've got a small team, even 3 people, you know, you've got a team, 5 people, you've got a team, 10, 20, 100, whatever it is, and you build this team and you teach, you have team, you know, have a team meeting, have a team Zoom. You don't need, these Zooms are free, or this is a paid version, but you don't need a paid version. You do the free version, it's fine. And again, you know, I'd recommend that you do that. You can put strategies together, and again, it builds literally, you know, it builds a nice, you know, team ethic that, you know, you're not trying to do this business on your own, because lone rangers really don't make it in this business, okay? Even though I know we're under lockdown, we've done this without any physical hotel presentations or anything like that, which is pretty staggering when you think about what we've done here. It's pretty amazing, you know, absolutely staggering. Normally, you know, you know, we would have been like halfway around the world by now, you know, doing events and meetings. And you know, I'd love to travel, by the way, and it is a little bit frustrating that we can't, although you can technically, obviously with restrictions and this, that, and the other, COVID tests and things like that, which I'm you know, not kind of like you know, buying into any of that. But ultimately, is, you know, we've got to do what we can, and we're doing great, guys. So you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. So do not change what you're doing now. Just set the intention out that you're going to share the business with new people daily, okay, and change the, you know, you've got the power to change people's lives. That's what you have in your hand. You know, not just change them, but transform them. That is the power of what you hold. When most people out there are in that rat race, if they're in the rat race, if they've still got a job, the worst is to come, unfortunately. And it's not going to be pretty. It's going to be very, very ugly. You know, I don't like to dwell and think about it too much, just because obviously it's kind of negative, not on kind of like our side, because we're blessed, yeah, but it's just not going to be good for people. And you know, we're in the business of helping people, and if you're helping people, okay, you're helping yourself, and you're going to do very well, because here you cannot stop people making money. I cannot stop these people making money. You know, you built this team by doing the three simple things each day, which is sharing the business. Yeah, we're following up and we're repeating, teaching new members to do the same, and that will duplicate, and that will duplicate and duplicate. Once you've gone past your 3rd level, okay, yeah, you'll have no idea. This is where the true duplication takes off, and you'll know you cannot stop it. You cannot stop it, because people like to make money, and you won't stop on making money when it's, especially when it's passive. It's not like, you know, you have to recruit here. You don't have to. Okay, but most people find it difficult not to share the business with others when they're making money every day, and there's people out there, and you know, it's very easy to drum up a conversation about the economy and about the future and about how's your business, how's your income, and then look, just drop it into them. Hey, look, you know, are you open to taking look at something, okay, that can make you a passive daily income? It doesn't cost anything to get started. There's no monthly fees. We've got guys making anything from $100 a day to in excess of thousands of dollars. Take a look. It's always a yes, and then basically that's it. Keep it nice and simple. So outside of that, okay, I'm just basically again, we're not going to go. We're not going to keep this these Zooms long. I like to keep them short and to the point. Okay, we're going to keep this business, okay, nice and simple. Okay, but the first thing, the most important thing in this business is your mindset. Okay, and you know, I always encourage you, and I know we've got new people listening to this and people listen to the recorded version. This is the biggest thing. If you're not getting the results in your business, not just your business, in fact, anything in your life, okay, it really is all about, it really is up to you. I mean, it really, you've got to, once you accept that, then you can move forward. Okay, so whatever it is, it might, you know, you can apply this, the power of your mind to anything. You know, it might be your health, it might be, you know, something nothing to do with the mind capital. You know, it could be something other else, relationships, anything. Okay, but obviously, you know, we're in this business as a team, and you know, if you focus on this and treat this as a business, Okay, this is a business, it's serious. Okay, and that obviously, you know, you get your capital up there, you know, stretch yourself. Okay, you've got to stretch yourself, you've got to push, you know, do what you fear and doubt. That's how you conquer your fear and doubt. You know, if you're, get out there and don't be afraid of sharing this business with anybody. You know, be totally fearless. That's how you conquer it. You know, wear a big smile on your face. You know, you got to, even when it's raining. I love the rain, by the way. You know, on overcast days. You know, it's for me. You know, it's just great. Enjoy it, embrace it. You know, if you're waking up and alive and you're in good health, you know, you're already way ahead of most of the world out there. You're already way ahead. And you know, and we're blessed, we're making money. And Paleo, you know, one of the greatest inspirations out there, making that $1 a day, $2, $5, whatever it is. You know, you're focusing on, well, look, the $5 is paying for the coffee. In my coffee a day, it's doing what? But I know it's not, because I know you're compounding, which is great, because that's when them returns really go. Forget about, you know, 12 to 18% compounding. I don't even want to go there, but it's like huge percentages. It's insane. So it's off another chart, and that's the beauty we've got in this business. So the key is obviously is that mindset. And again, I recommend, you know, reading and studying every day. You know, I'm always buying books. I think I bought about 3 or 4 books in the last week or two. And again, it's all about educating. And, you know, I'm still a student, I'm still learning. And I absolutely, you know, I buy my kind of like my crypto, my Bitcoin books, and educate myself in. And then also the, you know, the health and wellness, the mindset, the spirit, and you know, we keep ourselves healthy. That's very, very important. And we're always learning. That's the beautiful thing. So once you got that mindset right, then we're going to have to go out there, and we're going to have to set a timetable, 5 to 15 hours minimum, guys. Anything less than 5 hours a week, and it's a hobby. So minimum, what you're going to be doing these 5 to 15 hours. Okay, you're going to be sharing the business presentation. Okay, somebody said to me, and it's what I learned from one of my mentors many years ago. One of my mentors, he flew to America to meet this. His name was Jeffrey Bird. This guru, he's making about 300,000 a month or something. And Derek Ross, great mentor of mine, and Derek got up to about, I think he was making at one point about 90,000 a month in one of his businesses. Anyway, he queued for hours to meet the legendary Jeffrey Bird. And he said, I come all the way from the UK to meet you. Okay, can you just give me just the top secret of building a massive business? Just, you know, I know your time is very valuable. Can you just give it me quickly? And what is that? What's one thing I need? And he looked at Derek and he said, don't talk to me. I'm already in the business. Think about that. Don't talk to me. I'm already in the business. And this is the one thing that when Derek was teaching us this, and he told us about that story, it's one thing that stood in my mind. That, you see, so when, you know, people are messaging me and they say, Simon, can you give me a quick tip? You know what I say? Yeah, don't talk to me. I'm already in the business. You see that? That's it. And then, all right, well, what do I say? Well, look, you know, if you're on my, you know, you're just asking them, are they open? Are you open? Are you open? Are you open to, you know, you find new people, share the presentation. How do you find new people when you've been through, have you really been through everybody you know? Everybody, yeah, get content out there. You've got to get the content out there. Get content out there, talk about whatever it is, get likes, comments, then, yeah, strike a private message up with your people and ask them then, basically, you know, a little bit small talk. How are they? How's your, you know, how's your family? How's your income, job, whatever it is? And then basically hit them with it. Are they open? It's so easy. I mean, it's basically, and that's the key here. If it was hard, then it wouldn't happen. The hard thing actually is staying focused. It's staying focused and doing the same thing over and over and keeping it going, okay, and getting rid of all the distractions in your life, because distractions keep you distracted. Okay, now it might be the next Netflix series and things like that. And don't get me wrong, you know, hey, look, I'll watch a bit of TV and, you know, you've got to live a life. I understand that. However, remember, we're only asking for 5 to 15 hours. It doesn't take long, this business, but after it sounds. Okay, but of course, if you're watching, you know, your football game or what have you, we've always got our phone on us, and, you know, we don't switch off, guys, do we? Yeah, you know, we're always on there, you know, or when you know, when we're there, we apply and we respond and we get the information out. Okay, so okay, just looking at the chat now just to see if we've got any questions in there. Okay, so okay, so Peter, does the Telegram customize itself with our affiliate link automatic? Okay, so they have a tool, okay, the bot, the Paleo bot, which is brilliant. This only works with Telegram, remember, but remember they're interactive. So this is you share the presentation, you can share that Telegram bot. That is a generic one. Okay, now I'm not sure whether all the ambassadors have it, but the ambassador level, they did. They asked me if I wanted a personal one, so I can have a personal one. But ultimately, you don't really need it, because literally I still promote the other one as well in my newsletters, the plain one, because again, they know, look, get back to myself if you want more information or you need something else, you need any questions. Okay, so that's the key there. Just use the generic one, it's fine, and follow up with the prospects. That's the key. Okay, so with the new bots that are coming out, okay, so the new the trading bots, of course, I wouldn't imagine that the company are going to release a bot without any training on that. So I'm sure that will be the case. And again, people have asked me, what do I know about it? And ultimately, it's literally, I don't know anything about it, because literally we haven't tested it or anything like that. Again, Gonzalo said it would be released in 2 weeks. That was in Germany last week. So we're hoping in the next week or so we should get that the new bot. And again, this is just going to be another tool that we can earn. I don't know, we might have to pay for it. I don't know, I've no idea. If we do, then we'll have to wait and see. Who knows? Generally, it's just going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be exciting, I'm sure of that. Will I use it? Yes, I definitely test it out and give it a go and see, we can generate some profits from it. We start small and we build up. I think with the crypto trading bots, again, if you're trading in good cryptos, okay, and the price takes the wrong way, okay, then basically you just have to wait for the price for it to come up. But what I will say, in a bull market, okay, which we are definitely in now, it really is easy. Okay, the bots I used before in a bull market were so easy when the price is going up. The problem was when the price was coming down. This is other bots I've used. Okay, when the price is coming down, then there's a problem, because again, if you've gone one way and the price isn't recovering, you're going to have to wait, or people will just sell off, or unless you're very patient and wait like 3 years for the bull market to return again, most people aren't going to do that, just so you're aware of that. So we'll have to wait and see that, but that's all, kind of like we're wondering, and I kind of like, look, what we have already is phenomenal, so keep it nice and simple. That's all we have to do in this business. Work on that mindset. This is the key. If the mindset is everything. And again, why are you doing this business? What do you want out of this business? What is your why? Yeah, you write it down. What is your goal? It could be anything. It doesn't have to be materialistic. It could be anything, just financial freedom, or literally to wake up every day and not worry about the bills, ever, and not worry about the price of anything. Think about that. You can get up and you can go. Well, once we will get out of this COVID situation, okay, might be another 6 months. Hopefully we're out of it then, and then we can start to travel and go anywhere you want in the world, okay, and live, okay, never having to worry about money, because you've got literally, millions and millions in Bitcoin wealth. Think about that. That's a good place to be. Okay, so again, guys, any questions, anything that you're not sure of, just use that text chat. And let me know. Again, I think I did share with you guys last week some of the books I bought. This is again, the Bitcoin Billionaires and the Bitcoin, the Future of Money, and then also What to Say When You Talk to Yourself. Again, this is the affirmations that I teach, which is, again, every morning I do affirmations. I got them written down. We have them basically, and when we've done our 15-20 minute of 8-fit exercise and stretching, we're on a meditation. And basically the affirmations are there. Going in, great breathing, remember. Nice shower followed by a cold shower, by the way. and check out the Wim Hof method if you want to learn a little bit about that, because that's really it's pretty awesome as well, how that makes you feel. So outside of that, guys, okay, what can I say? Remember the live training we got on Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday, sorry, the Zoom, this is the presentation, 7 p.m. GMT. Okay, so I'm not sure with the US times on that. You'd have to just check on your time, but I will post it on Tuesday to make sure that you get the right time for that. Jessica, lovely to see you there. How are you today? Hope you're well. Great to see the ladies on the video as always. Let me know where you're coming in from. Okay, so again, what I would like to say is this, guys, is well done. Put your hat, give yourselves a round of applause, because you guys are doing the numbers. You're doing absolutely fantastic. Okay, and if you've been out there and you've shared this business with people this week, you might not have done it every day, but if you have, that's brilliant. Okay, because you're changing people's lives, giving them the option of whether they want to take a look and whether they want to do this business. Then it's up to them. But remember, you know, it's like this, guys. Not everyone is into crypto and Bitcoin. It's no problem. I mean, it's for me, it's like, wow, it's unbelievable that they're not. I mean, that's how I see it. I'm like, what? I mean, I'm like, I can't believe that people, you know, can't see what's happening out there in the world, you know, it's and follow fiat currencies. But anyway, that's that just goes to show, because 5 years ago I was the same, actually, in a way, really, because I was all for fiat, and then I realized that, you know, it's not the way. It's not the way at all. Okay, we all know it's debt driven. Okay, so guys, well done. Okay, so again, this week, set the goal. Okay, set your goals. What is your daily goal? Okay, and at the end of every day, say this to yourself: would you employ yourself based on what you've done today? Think about that. Would you employ yourself based on what you've done today? Because if the answer is no, then you've got to look at it. Well, what am I doing? Ask yourself, look, what am I doing? What am I here for? Why am I in this business? You know, am I here? Or why? Some people don't, I just want to be, look, Simon, I'll join, but I'm not recruiting. I am not sharing this business. Why not? What are you afraid of? What's going to happen? Is a giant spider going to jump from the wall and, you know, come on, you know, don't be afraid. I'm afraid of people. Go, afraid of people. Come on, you know. And then it's a confidence thing. So again, a book I recommend is by Susan Jeffries, Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway. This is a great book for confidence. Yeah, Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway by Susan Jeffries. This is the first book that I learned when I read literally about it, you know, because I wasn't confident, by the way, guys, I was shy, introverted. You know, I used to brush the streets for a living. Come on, I was poor. Okay, that's how I was. That, you know, can I, and then if you would have said to me when I was like 20 years old, Simon, you're going to be rich, you're going to be literally speaking on stage, traveling all over the world, first class, driving Rolls Royces, I would have laughed like crazy. I would have but funny enough, I will say this: when I was at school, I used to say to people, yeah, I'm going to be like that. I'm going to have that. It was a Porsche, actually, and they all laughed at me. My friends laughed at me, but and then I started to get in the road sweeper situation, and funny enough, I was earning good money, actually. You know, I wasn't rich, you know, but I was doing good. You know, my first Porsche 23 and things. But again, you know, trading that time for money. You know, as soon as you stop working, yeah, that's it. It's game over. So again, you've got to the rich, you know, yeah, make money passively, guys. The rich make money when they sleep. Okay, and that's what we do. And remember, we are making money 7 days per week now. Okay, that's the beautiful thing, because we've got the exchange. So again, focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Okay, yeah, always get in the vibration of being that you're happy, even if you're not happy. I'm happy. You know, when you're cold, you're not, you're hot. Tell yourself, yeah. You know, this is it. You know, you've got to do it. It's all this mindset. It's mind power. Yeah, mindset first. Whatever you want, you can have it. You go get it. Go get it. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're 30 minutes in. Don't want to be too long. Okay, we don't see any more questions coming in. Okay, so I just want to, we covered the basics. Okay, go out there, work on that mindset, of course, and then share the business daily, 5 to 15 hours. In them 5 to 15 hours, you're going to share the business with 1 to 3 people per day. More is better. Follow up, get them in. Focus on this week. Focus on this. Remember, don't remember, okay? Focus on getting 2 a day. Get 2 a day. Focus on getting 2 a day. Now think about it. If you've got to get 2 a day, what do you need to do? Okay? You're probably saying, I'm going to get 2 a day. I'm going to show you. Teach you now in 2 minutes. To get 2 a day, okay, first and foremost, you need to get 1 a day. Yeah. So how do you get 1 a day? Share the business presentation. Share the business presentation with 4 new people. 4 new people. Okay. Now make sure all 4 got people logging into the meeting when it's ending. But anyway, 4 people. Now 4 people who watch the presentation. The very worst case scenario, 1 will sign up. Okay, that's the worst. Generally, you could get 2 or 3, even 4. Okay, so the worst, so that's all you have to do. 4 people who watch that presentation, who you follow up with. And remember, when you follow up and there's any questions, you 3-way chat with your sponsor. And then basically, you can help each other, blah, blah, blah. And then that's it, get them signed up. So to get 2 a day, yeah, what you're doing, you're just doubling that. So you're sharing the business presentation with 8 people, okay, 2 will join. Okay, remember, it's free. It's no cost to join. So look, there's my link. Sign up. Let's get you started. Okay, right, you're in. Okay, look, well, how much do you want to start with? Well, how much? What's the best amount? Well, 100,000. There's no question. The top amount is the best, because then what happens? The money just stacks in your account. You have to withdraw it. Withdraw it in Bitcoin. Bitcoin price will only keep going up. You're in a great place. Okay. Of course, not everyone's got 100,000 lying out there. I always said, if you haven't, then I'm not sure why, but ultimately, okay, the key is you can get there. Okay, do what you can to do to get there. I remember when Bitcoin went on a roll last time, people were selling everything to get Bitcoin. I think we were hearing them selling houses and all sorts. It was ridiculous. And this is the kind of way in the mindset. It's like this is because you want to get it when it's low. That's the fact. Because when it's high, okay, yes, it will go higher, but it will pull back. It always has pullbacks, okay? And that is because the market obviously adjusts, okay? And but I think we're going to see a 3 to 5x increase in Bitcoin price easily within the next 12 months. If it goes 5x, then it's going to go crazy. It could go crazy, which is ultimately, it will definitely pull back. We saw it last time. It'll do similar, we think, but it won't pull back, I don't think, below really what it's at now anyway, just so you're aware. So outside of that, guys, okay, yep, there we have it. Okay, I think we're done now. We know how to do the business. So again, focus on getting 2 a day this week. Okay, focus on this. Okay, doubling your business, doubling your income. Think about this. Remember last week we talked about that? So whatever your goal is this week to make whatever, it may be $500, $1,000, double it. Okay, it may be to make, I don't know, whatever, 10,000 a month. Okay, double it. Okay, to 20,000. You want to make 100,000, double it, and double it. And if we all did that and thought like that, the mindset expands so much that even if you only did half of that, you've originally hit your goal, haven't you? Remember we talked about that last week. So remember, yeah, the mother of all skills, repetition. So that's why I'm reminding you guys, yeah, these same things, because again, yeah, it's easy to teach it one week and then not another. Everyone forgets about it. No, we need to be reminded of it. I need to be reminded of it myself. Yeah, I do. Okay, so that's it, guys. Have an amazing Sunday wherever you are in the world. You are all amazing. Remember that you're absolutely rock stars. You're doing absolutely great. Be proud of what you're doing. And let's empower people this week. Let's change their lives. Wear that big smile every day. Send that energy out to the universe and you watch it come back to you, guys. Guys, have a phenomenal day. See you on the presentation Tuesday. God bless you all. Follow your dreams, guys.